Charles Duhigg's The Power of Habit delves into the fascinating science of habits, revealing how they shape our lives and offering practical strategies for reshaping them. Here are some key lessons from the book. 1. The habit loop. Our habits function through a neurological loop. Cue greater than routine greater than reward. Identifying these triggers can help us understand and modify our behavior. 2. The golden rule of habit change. You can't erase a habit, but you can replace it. By keeping the cue and reward the same, but swapping the routine, you can reprogram your behavior. 3. Keystone habits. Certain habits, like exercising regularly, can trigger a domino effect of positive changes in other areas of life. Identifying and focusing on these keystone habits can lead to overall improvement. 4. The power of willpower. Willpower is like a muscle that can be strengthened through practice. Techniques like delaying gratification and setting small, achievable goals can help build willpower and resist temptation. 5. The habit contract. Explicitly outlining your desired habit change. The cue, the routine, and the reward can increase your commitment and chances of success. 6. The habit continuum. Habits exist on a spectrum, from automatic to conscious. Understanding where your habits fall can help you determine the best approach for modification. 7. The habit huddle. Surrounding yourself with people who have positive habits can influence your own behavior and provide support for change. 8. Habits can be helpful. Not all habits are bad. Identifying and nurturing good habits, like reading or meditation, can contribute to a fulfilling life. 9. It's a journey, not a destination. Changing habits takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself, celebrate small victories, and keep moving forward. 10. The power is yours. By understanding the science of habits and applying these lessons, you have the power to reshape your routines and create a life you love. Please like and subscribe to our channel Ideas to Inspire for more inspirational content.